This is All India Radio, Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin read by Rahul Chatterjee. In the wake of COVID-19, we appeal to our listeners not to lower guard, take all precautions, and all those above 45 years of age who have taken the first dose of COVID-19 vaccine to get vaccinated with the second dose at the scheduled time. Stay safe and protected by following these 3 simple steps. Wear a face mask. Maintain 2 gaz ki duri for social distancing. Focus on hand and face hygiene. National helplines are operational for providing COVID-related information and guidance to the people. The national helpline number is 011-2397-8046 and 1075. And the helpline for Meghalaya is 108 and 1070. And now the news in detail. Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma yesterday took a detailed review of the preparedness made by the district administrations for an enhanced vaccination camp against COVID-19 in the state to be rolled out from tomorrow. The Chief Minister said that in view of the program, under which 3 lakh people will receive vaccine doses every day, the district administrations should ramp up manpower and matching infrastructure to make the campaign a success. The COVID-19 positivity rate in East Khasi Hills, which includes Meghalaya capital Shillong, continues to be above 10% and the number of cases still very high. As such, the district administration has announced night curfew to be promulgated from 21st June onward from 7 p.m. to 5 a.m. daily, along with strict containment measures. Political, public, social and religious gatherings, including conferences, meetings and trainings, weddings and sporting activities, are not permitted. Inter- and intra-movement of persons to or from Shillong urban agglomeration is not permitted without valid passes. All shops are required to indicate vaccination status of their staff in the shop premises. Meghalaya reported 5 COVID-19 related deaths yesterday, tallying the fatalities to 776. The state recorded 514 fresh COVID-19 cases, adding up to 4,743 active cases. Also, 585 more recoveries took place, the number of recovered cases to 39,377. Meanwhile, 5,14,578 persons received the first dose and 75,059 received the second dose of the vaccine against COVID-19 in Meghalaya till yesterday. Nagaland yesterday reported 94 fresh COVID-19 cases, pushing up the number of confirmed cases to 24,191. Recoveries of 171 more patients from the viral infection surged up the number of recovered cases to 21,058. 1 more death increased the COVID-19 casualties in the state to 454. Presently, there are 1,979 active cases in Nagaland. In Manipur, 592 persons were confirmed as new COVID-19 positive cases yesterday, while the positivity rate was registered at 10.08%. 6 more people expired due to the viral infection, increasing the fatality figure to 1,039. Meanwhile, 294 more COVID-19 patients recovered yesterday, taking the number of recovered cases to 52,961. The number of active cases in Manipur was 9,538 on the last count. The Manipur government has selected 60 government schools, each from assembly constituencies in the state, for the Quality Education Mission named School Phagathansi Mission. The mission was launched during the incumbent BJP-led government headed by the Chief Minister N. Biren Singh. The achievements shown during the first phase of the mission have given hope for successful mass enrollment of students to government schools. Education Minister S. Rajan announced the second phase of the mission, which includes civil works, renovation of classrooms, toilets, and development of overall infrastructure. In order to understand the local problems of farmers of the northeastern region and provide scientific solutions, the Department of Biotechnology has issued a special call under Biotech Krishi Innovation Science Application Network. The Northeast is predominantly agrarian, with 70% of its workforce engaged in agriculture and allied sectors for livelihood. The region produces merely 1.5% of the country's food grain and continues to be a net importer of food grains even for its domestic consumption. Under this scheme, Biotech Kisan Hubs in the Northeast will collaborate with top scientific institutions across the country for training of the farmers. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin, which came to you from All India Radio, Shillong. Have a nice day.
you.